Hi, welcome to my. In this video, you'll find the different uses of Vaseline.
Vaseline has been used by people for over 140 years. One budget-friendly magical product can effectively replace the need to purchase multiple expensive beauty products required for your skincare routine. So let's explore the secrets of using this magical product in this quick guide. Let's get started. Eyelash growth. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to clean lashes nightly. This natural conditioning may promote eyelash growth over time. Use caution to avoid contact with eyes. Consistency is key. Makeup remover. Use Vaseline to remove stubborn eye makeup. It's gentle and effective at breaking down waterproof mascara and eyeliner. Remove blackheads. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your face, especially on areas with blackheads. Use a blackhead extractor tool after steaming to gently press on blackheads, aiding in their removal. Cleanse afterward. Eyebrow condition. Vaseline for eyebrows provides hydration, promotes hair health, and helps shape unruly brows. It conditions and nourishes, fostering a fuller and more defined eyebrow appearance. Under eye care. For under eye care, gently apply Vaseline before bedtime. Its hydrating properties can reduce dryness and fine lines. Use a caffeine-infused eye cream in the morning to diminish puffiness and dark circles for refreshed eyes. Lip balm. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your lips for a glossy and moisturized look. It can also help heal chapped lip. Highlighter. Rub a small amount of Vaseline onto your cheekbones for a natural-looking highlight. Moisturize. Use Vaseline as a moisturizer for dry or chapped skin. It helps lock in moisture and prevents water loss. Exfoliating scrub. Mix a small amount of Vaseline with a pinch of sugar or coffee grounds to create a gentle exfoliating scrub. Gently massage onto your face in circular motions, then rinse off for smoother skin. Eye face mask. Combine Vaseline with other ingredients like honey or aloe vera for a hydrating dye face mask. Nail care. Apply Vaseline to your cuticles before a manicure to make them easier to push back and to protect the surrounding skin from nail polish stains. Lip sleeping mask. Create a DI lip sleeping mask by applying Vaseline generously before bedtime. Exfoliate lips regularly and wake up to softer, moisturized lips. Optionally, mix with honey for added nourishment. Hairstyling. Seam frizz and flyaways by applying a small amount of Vaseline to your hair ends. Prevent split ends. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends and keep them moisturized. Smooth shaving. Apply Vaseline before shaving to create a smooth surface and help prevent razor burn. Long-lasting fragrance. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to pulse points before spraying perfume to make the fragrance last longer. Protect and soothe skin. Use Vaseline to protect and soothe skin from windburn or cold weather. Glowy legs. Apply Vaseline to your legs for a shiny and moisturized appearance. Cuticle care. Rub Vaseline into your cuticles to soften them and keep them healthy. Foot softener. Apply Vaseline to your feet, especially on rough areas like heels, and cover with socks overnight for foot softener. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. If you have specific concerns, chat with a dermatologist for personalized advice. See you soon, beasties.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe the channel.